Welcome back guys to a quick Moralis video in which I'm gonna show you how to get the coin metadata for any coin on Aptos blockchain. Now as you can see in this example, we can get the creator address, the name and the symbol for this coin, how many decimals and when this was created. And this data is very powerful and very handy if you want to build like a scan, so like Etherscan or an Aptos Explorer. I think this data is very powerful to use in those kind of dapps. And if we paste another coin type hash, we can see that this is for USDC and we get that specific data. In order to build this, we're gonna need to have a Moralis account, and we have the starter plan which is for free, but we have this pro plan that is only 49 bucks a month, and it will take your dapps to the next level. You can see the differences. You have more requests, higher throughput, but if you scroll down further, you can see the difference in the daily compute units. So here you have 4,000 and here you have unlimited ones in the daily basis. Now this is so powerful. Make sure you sign up for the pro plan and I will show you how to build this quick little dapp. Hey, I'm Joseph, your Web3 instructor from Sweden. I've been into crypto since 2017 and have been building in the space since 2021. In my free time, I enjoy playing paddle, going to the gym or hanging out with my dog. I always try to enjoy some good pancakes, but that's for another time. Now let's get back to the video. Alright, once you have signed up, log in to your account and go to Web3 APIs to get your own private API key. Then let's open Visual Studio Code. I've created my root folder, the get Aptos coin metadata by coin type hash. And then I have a backend and a frontend folder. So in backend, we have installed Node Fetch, Express.env and Course. And we're gonna need those libraries to build our backend server. Then let's add the .env file with our API key and then a new file called index.js. And import all the libraries. We're gonna need fetch, we're gonna need express, we're gonna need course and .env. We're gonna have our server on port 5001 and then we're gonna import our API key from the .env file like so. And we can use this in this options object right here. And then at the bottom, we're gonna listen to our app. So we're gonna have one endpoint, a get request on the get coin metadata endpoint. And once we hit this endpoint, our backend server is going to do a request to the Moralis API using this coin type hash that we added in the input field. And once we get the response back, we're going to send it straight to the frontend client, which is a Next.js application, but we're also going to install Axios. And then we're going to have two components, the header, which is the logos and the title. And we're also going to have this main, and that's where everything is happening. So let's import useState, Axios, and the CSS file. Create three state variables, show result, result, and input value. And then we're gonna have two functions. So the handle change is gonna run when we start typing in the input field. And we're gonna get that value and we're gonna store it inside this state variable. And we're gonna run the handle submit function when you click the submit button. And that's where when we take this data from the state variable and we send it as a parameter to our backend server when we do an Axios request on the port we specified and on /getCoin metadata. Then once we get the response back, we're just gonna store this data and set show result to true. Then we can display the data right here. When show result is true, we're gonna render all this and we can display the creator address, name, symbol, decimals, and time created like so in this section right here. So you can see we're displaying result.creator address and we're slicing it to not display the whole address. Then we have the result.name, we have result.symbol, we have result.decimals, and lastly we have result.transaction created timestamp, and we split it just to display it beautifully as we do right here. And this is it guys, you don't need much more code than this to build this quick little dapp. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Make sure you smash the like button and I will see you in the next one.